Hey traders, I hope you guys stayed safe out there. I hope you're surviving these market conditions. We're seeing the correction, and also we're in holiday week, so there's far less volume out there. Really hope you're surviving. This is a week where we got to be in and out, one and done, nailing and bailing, and I hope you're doing that. If you were in the live stream this morning, I alerted ORPN with the 150 break up to about 170, which is exactly what happened. I hope you guys killed that. I missed that initial trade. I waited for the next best opportunity on it and ended up doing pretty well on it. Hope you guys enjoy. ORPN is getting the hype. Now, if you guys were in the live stream this morning, I did some pre-market analysis, and I did say this was going to be a buy at the break of 150 to about 165, 170. So if you guys are in this and you're making money, great job, great job, great job. ORPN, this one is looking to form some sort of support right around 155, 156. And I'm going to look to pick up a few shares right here at 160. I think there is still some potential on this. See, we came up, hit a high of 175. I missed that, but my stop on this is going to be below, 150. I will look to add if it comes down to 150, but if it cracks 150, that's when I'm out. I think this one could start forming a higher low and move on up. Ended up breaking 175. So here's the pullback we're seeing. Seeing a little bit of a pullback. We got some buyers here, though. Good thing is we have buyers. I will look to add at 150. As long as we stay green on the day, we're going to be fine. Green is 148. Okay. It's coming down. Look to add right here. Okay, now I'm in this, with 2,000 shares at an average price of 157. I am looking, to cut my entire position if it ends up cracking 150. 150 should be good support on this. Now, if it's going to be healthy on the day, what we're going to do is see it start consolidating and moving up, above its open. We're still fine on the day so far, and we got this trend line going on as well. This trend going on as well from pre-market. We're still green on the day. We're doing okay. This is an area to be buying. 152. If you were able to get in right there, that was a great entry. My concern is it's holiday week. There's not as many buyers out there. Concerned, if there's going to be follow-through momentum on this, or if it's just going to start fading on off. Now that's below VWAP, but we need to get back above the VWAP, 161, and volume is already getting a little slow on it. My stop is now going to be below this trend line here. Okay, we're getting back above VWAP. I'm gonna sell some shares. Be smart. Sell 700 shares there. So now I have 1,300 shares left. That takes a little bit of the edge off of me, locking in some profit. I got to be smart, locking in some profit. I want to see what we're going to do around this VWAP. I want to see if we're going to continue to move on up or if we're going to start fading on off. Now this was a perfect bounce play opportunity. I got to lock in some more. Upper shadow forming right there. All right, I got to lock it in right there. The upper shadow, I just locked it all in. $165, 2,000 shares. And there we're seeing the sell-off. So you just got to see where selling pressure is. 170 was earlier the top here, and so it came right back up to it, and it started selling off. You could see the resistance. You saw the upper wick forming. That's where I took profit. So, this was a good trade, and granted, I did miss my initial entry. If you were a part of the chat room this morning, I did a live stream on YouTube every single morning. If you were a part of that, I said ORPN is really the only stock. It's the only stock on the scanner. So if you guys saw the scanners, it was the only stock really up. It had an acquisition, so they acquired another company. Pre-market looked ugly. It really did. Past chart history looked pretty ugly too. But what we noticed with the past chart history, and I'll pull that down here, is the stock goes up and comes down. But it does go up. That's the main thing to know. This stock does go up, but it comes down. So you got to be quick to take your profit. But this was the only thing really out there. Since it's holiday week, most companies, are not coming out with their best PRs. And not only that, because it's, we're having a correction as well. So we're having a correction. It's holiday week. There's far fewer traders out there. This is it. Volume is kind of spread out there. The volume is all over the place. They're not on one stock. Yesterday we saw everyone go to AKER. Everyone flooded over there. We knew everyone was there. But this morning, not so much. And so I said, ORPN could get it. What I'd be trading is 150 break to around like 170, 75. That's exactly what happened. So I really hope you guys killed it. Made a lot of profit on that. I missed that. I was looking all over the place at NIO and YECO. I was looking at the former runners from yesterday. I missed that, and so I said, okay, I'm not going to chase it. I'll look for the next opportunity. So that's when I sized in a little bit here, 157, where we had a couple candles bottoming out there. Then we dropped even more, and I added saying if it cracks 150, that's my exit. If it cracks 150, that's my exit. So the important thing is predefining your risk on these trades. That's going to be my only trade today, guys. I'm not going to be fighting these market conditions. I'm going to be one and done, in and out. But I hope you guys did well. I really hope you nailed it. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you have any questions at all in the comment section below. We'll see you tomorrow.